Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am here with another vlog. I feel like I've not talked to you guys in a really long time. So remember to subscribe, remember to like if you enjoy my content, remember to comment, like, all of the good stuff. Help me so the video can reach. Okay, I did something so much different with my hair. I actually kind of straightened it and added these little, I don't know how I feel about it, but it's giving like some type of that girl type of thing. So I actually like it. So I thought I'd show you guys my outfit for the day. Hopefully you guys can see it. So this tank top is actually from H&M, and H&M really come through with the basics. So it's a H&M top. The jeans are also from H&M. It's just one of those straight leg jeans, and the sneakers are Reebok. Have them for a while, have not worn them enough actually, but these jeans are giving everything that they're supposed to give. Like the straight leg jeans, I feel like I don't even want to be wearing skinny jeans anymore because these are super comfy. And you get that vibe, like that that vibe as I'm talking about, the 90s early 2000s type of dressing. I'm so here for it, guys. I'm so happy that it's back in. So yeah, and I'm carrying my little bag that I got from TJ Maxx. You guys have seen this all the time, like all the time. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later. For the cold one.
Step 1, wake up, brother, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4,
where is it?
Just do your
We're in Tab, right?
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Landalo, okay. Landalo phase 1. Stop by this coconut man to get some nice coconut water.
You know ready for it.
But then you saw, it's a special sun. Cause man dip in a hot sun. Mercy. Sun hot, but yeah, that sun you down here so special. Wonder if it's because they're closer to the sea. Maybe because they're closer to the sea.
Yeah.
Blood in circulation, one step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one.
So we stopped by Bluefield River just to peep what's going on over there. I've never ever stopped there at Bluefield River before, so we'll go peep and see what the vibes down there. I haven't been wearing like normal slippers from the other day because I had gone to the podiatrist and she told me I need to wear closed shoes, so I haven't been wearing slippers. And one little time I decided to put on slippers from my foot this morning. I almost trip and drop and hurt up the toe again. But the river is actually down there. We're going to go for the top there so to see. See the slippers I have on for my foot? I should be wearing my clogs right now. So we're going through this little part. Because we're accident prone. Over here. See here? See the river here? Bluefield River. There's actually a sign up there,
Step 1, wake up, brother, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up.
today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
So this morning I showed you guys my outfit of the day. If you notice, I'm wearing something completely different from what I had set out to wear this morning. I took off that white top that I was wearing and I switched it out for this little tube top. I throw on an oversized t-shirt because this is what I'm wearing these days. And this, I kept on the same jeans and I kept on, well, I switched out from the sneakers to the sandals because I feel like it was more appropriate considering that we were coming like to the beach, or maybe it's like a, you know, we are stuck to more than one place. And there's something with me and wearing like white shirt. My accident prone, so it's like in my head, I'm gonna mess up this shirt. So I'm one of those people who will walk with a next shirt in my bag and just in case I mess up the shirt. But yeah, this is one spot that we might come back to. I feel like it's something that we can work with. It's not a big river. It don't look that way. I don't know if we can actually walk farther from here, so I don't know. But it's kind of like a little mini Duns River Falls. So it's have a boat.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
So remember the other day when I was telling you about this camping thing? I hope you guys can hear me. That my husband is into and he wants to be doing and stuff. So he bought a bunch of stuff and I'm gonna show you a lot of the stuff that he bought to make our outing or beach outing a lot more comfortable. So this is like a fold out table, guys. I can't even say, you fold it up and then you fold it out. So it's easy to travel with. You can actually pull out everything here and stuff. So over here he has this little blanket. I don't know if it's waterproof blanket that we're gonna lay out on, and he also bought these camping chairs that we actually can sit on and look out and stuff. I'm so excited about this. So there's one more chair coming out to set up. In the time being, let me show you guys the igloo. The igloo is just this small igloo, and we packed a couple of stuff in here. We have some fruits, cheese, we have lemon bear, craft, Thousand Island, we have Gatorade, Heineken 0% alcohol, some tomatoes, lettuce, and we have some burger patties in there as well. So we have lunch in there. And we have some utensils, wipes and them thing there. And in this container we have some snacks and stuff. You guys might be wondering what this is. This is a fuel, because guess what, hubby also has a gas stove. Not a gas stove, a stove that we're going to be preparing on. So I'm excited to show you guys that. I'm gonna change off in my swimwear and then come back. My hair is absolutely looking like craziness right now.
I'm going through hell, a fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell, like nothing I do.
Alright guys, so we're gonna be cooking. Watch the cook up, watch the cook up. Fire a bubble. So
and chicken burgers.
we're using the chicken burgers.
Reggae Jammy not pay with nothing, you know, so we're not supposed to show which brand.
Yes, Reggae Jammies, they can sponsor us, please. So the oil just went in. The fire is actually blazing, guys. And this is a portable stove. Yeah. I'm gonna link everything in the description box area, so if you guys want to check out some of the stuff, I'm gonna link everything in there. Smell it. It's actually sizzling, guys. How cool is it that we can actually do this by the beach? Like, let me tell you something about mankind. God didn't know him or do him a create mankind, you know, because we're very, very talented. We use our brain. He has granted us wisdom to be able to use our brain to come up with something like this. The gas stove thing is just incredible to me. While my husband cook me a meal, I'm just gonna sit in my living room.
Step on it, because we're gonna last the sun. Step 2, grow hard about what you want to do. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Yeah. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Garbage. Like, why are we picking up on the garbage? Huh? Come on, man. My hair completely flat out. You guys don't want to see the effort that I put into this hairstyle this morning. It was really a lot. But I should have known better.
Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm
To
lost.
say that's a wrap, it's a wrap. My hair did not make it out alive. But right now you can see this nice little sunset that's coming in. Right now it's currently like after 5 or so in the evening. It's such a lovely day today. It's very quiet, it's very peaceful, not a lot of people here, and I really love that. So we expected to come back here. The sea water is a little bit murky, so it's like we're not going to the sea because I don't know how I feel about the whole shark thing, but uncertain about if there's a shark in the water. So I didn't decide to go inside of the sea today, but hopefully the next time I come, well, definitely I'll go in there. But yeah, this is where I'm gonna close out the vlog. I will talk to you guys later. Subscribe, all the good things. So yeah.